am Kumar K, your favorite DSA teacher when it comes to solving hard unseen OA problems and CV problems. So today's day is very special. Okay, obviously we are going to solve this particular problem, which was asked in Google Online Assessment, on November 18, and this is a very interesting problem. It will make so many of your concepts strong. Okay. And coming to me, guys, I have previously worked at Amazon and Media.net as software engineer. I cracked those offers off campus despite being from a tier 4 college. And also, I have All India rank 4 in Facebook Hacker Cup and All India rank 12 in Google Code Jam 2021. So, guys, before we go towards this pretty interesting problem, which will make you learn so many things, these days, students facing so many problems when it comes to solving hard and new problems. They're not able to build their logic, but I will show you how easily you can do it in this problem. And guys, now it's the time to give shout out to the students who got massively successful this month. This month 58 students have cracked 20 plus LP in the program. The topmost students are as follows. Yeah, the student Aditya. Guys, the direct eye asks the hardest OA and interview problems, and the student Aditya, after all the live training, 850-hour course, personal mentorship, and all the important things, he has cracked direct eye. So how happy Aditya is. Congratulations Aditya for cracking direct eye. It happened just few days back. Apart from that, guys, the student Shivam has cracked Google. So, he also, you guys know that Google asks the hardest OA and interview problems. So, Shivam and Aditya, despite, the companies asking the hardest OA and, hardest DS in OA and interviews, they cracked it. So, congratulations to both of them. Now, guys, the question. So, the question is pretty interesting. They are saying that you have to find a minimum number. You have to find a minimum number. You have to find min nums which can pass through the given n pairs. So guys, you are given n pairs. Let's say n equal to 3. You are given n pairs, okay? And the first number will always be greater than the second number. So a will always be greater than equal to b. So let's say the numbers are like this. 10 comma 3. These are the pairs, guys. 10 comma 2, 10 comma 1, okay? These are the pairs. You can see that the first number is always greater than the second number, okay? So guys, the first number is always greater than equal to second number, first number greater than equal to second number, first number greater than equal to second number. These are the three pairs. Now guys, our minimum number should be 13. 13 can pass through all these pairs. I will show you how, okay? So if my 13 comes up, the first condition is that you can see that we are given n pairs ai comma bi such that ai is greater than equal to bi of the integers. We have to decide a number y will go through each index and do y equal to y minus b of I only if y is greater than equal to ai. If you are not able to do that, the process will halt and that y is not valid. We should be able to go through all the indices in any order we want. So guys, can you see what kind of difficult problem is this? So what to do now? But don't worry, guys. I will make sure that you understand it in the best way possible. So, guys, if my number is 13, I need to check is 13 greater than equal to 10? Yes. Then what I will do? 13 minus 3. So now my number has become 10. Now again check with the second pair. Is 10 greater than equal to the first number? Yes. So subtract 10 minus 2, 8. So now my number has become 8. Is 8 greater than equal to 10? No. It means the full process has failed. You are not able to do this process with the number 13. So guys, what can we do? Guys, our number should be able to pass through all the indices. And here you can see that we failed. Now what will we do? What will we do? So the thing is that you can rearrange the pairs. Rearrangement of pairs is allowed. So instead of, going through 10 3 10 2 10 1, I will rearrange and I will write them like 10 1, 10 2, and 10 3. Okay. Now let's see our number 13 can go through all these pairs or not. Okay. So Is 13 greater than equal to the first number? Yes. Then subtract 1 from 13, it becomes 12. Now, is 12 greater than equal to the first number 10? Yes. Then subtract 2 from 12, it becomes 10. Is 10 greater than equal to 10? Yes. Then subtract 3 from 10, it becomes 7. So, guys, yes, now 13 is able to pass through all these. That's why 13 is our answer. Okay, so you know 13 is the answer. 14, 15, all these numbers can also pass through, but 13 is the minimum possible answer. We cannot go lesser than 13, guys. We cannot go lesser than 13. So the main idea is that how will you rearrange the pairs? How will you rearrange the pair such that a smallest number can pass through all these pairs? So now, guys, the question is how should you rearrange these pairs? How should you rearrange these pairs so that smallest number y can pass through all the pairs, can pass through all the pairs? Okay, so guys, this is a very very important case. Okay, so how should you rearrange the pairs so that how can you rearrange all the pairs so that once you select a number y, first of all, y should be able to pass through all those numbers. Next thing, that y should also be the smallest number possible among all the rearrangements of the pairs. So how will you deal with this problem in your online assessment? Think about that. So this is where the people get stuck, and that's why we give very high level DSA OECP training. In our program we have daily selections of top tech companies. So now, let's go towards the problem again. So, guys, now what to do and how to do. First observation is that, guys, listen to me carefully. First observation is, what if all the A are constant? What if all the A are constant? Then what you will do? Let's say this is phi, okay, phi comma 3, phi comma 2, phi comma 1. These are the pairs given to you. Now, guys, you have to find the answer. N pairs are given in the input. How should you rearrange them? इनको कैसे मैं rearrange करूं ताकि एक ऐसा नंबर जनरेट हो पाए जो इन सबको पास कर पाए और वो सबसे छोटा हो. So thinking that, guys, requires lots of practice. Okay, so the first thing is, the basic observation is that, let's say I know my number should be greater than equal to 5, right? And then it will be subtracted by 3, right? So नंबर कम से कम वो 5 तो होना ही चाहिए जो इनसे पास होने वाला है. बट once it passes by 3, then 5 minus 3 will become 2, right? Then 2 will not be able to tackle this 5. So 2 plus 3, 5 means 8 at least. The thing is that if all these numbers are constant and the number b, let's say we are arranging the number b in descending order. Okay, so guys, my claim is that you should never arrange in descending order. Like, if all the A are constant, it should never be arranged in descending order of B. It should never be arranged in descending order of B. Why, guys? Why? अब मैं तुमको एक बात बताता हूँ. If you arrange in ascending order of B, na, it becomes very very good. Why? I will tell you. So let's take a number 8. Okay, चलो 8 ले लेते. 8. Okay, and we will see how is 8 performing through all those guys. Okay, so if I take a 8, it will come here. Yes, 8 is greater than equal to 5. 8 minus 3 will become what? 5. Is 5 greater than equal to 5? Yes. 5 minus 2 will become 3. Then, guys, 3 is not greater than equal to 5. It will fail. But if you take 8 and put here, it will succeed. Why? 8 is greater than equal to 5. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 greater than equal to 5. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 greater than equal to 5. 5 minus 3, 2. So guys, the process is getting successful when these numbers are arranged in ascending order. Why? Because you can observe that whatever number you choose na, it always has to be greater than equal to 5, greater than equal to 5, greater than equal to 5. So common sense says that you should decrease the smallest number from 8. If you subtract the smallest number from 8 na, whatever is the result na, there are maximum chances that the result will be greater than equal to 5 because you have subtracted the smallest number. So the result will be largest, and largest result has the largest probability of being greater than equal to 5. So 8 में से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगा ना तो ज्यादा चांसेस है कि वो 5 से बड़ा हो, rather than पहले 8 में से 3 माइनस कर दिया फिर 2 कर दिया, like that. Okay, so guys, see, such brilliant observations are going on here, that if all the a's are constant, just arrange your b in ascending order. So first observation is clear, that if a is constant, guys, arrange the b in ascending order. That will give the best answer, right? So ram, always start everything with the name of God. So guys, if in all the pairs a is constant, b should be arranged in ascending order. Now guys, let's discuss the next case. What if b is constant? B is constant. Then a should be arranged in which order? So let's say 5, 5, 5. Okay, so 10, 15 and 20. Okay, so now guys, you know that whichever your number is, it has to be greater than equal to 10. Then it will be subtracted by 5 and it has to be greater than equal to 15. Then it will be subtracted by 5 and then it has to be greater than equal to 20, which is not good. Why? First, you are telling this number to be greater than equal to 10 and you are subtracting 5 again and again. You are decreasing y and expecting it to be bigger than larger numbers. Okay, so it will unfortunately fail the process. Okay, it is like apparent. If your a is arranged in ascending order, it will fail the process. Okay, गाइस, तुम लोग देख सकते हो, अगर ए असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में है तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. क्यों हो रही है? क्योंकि जो भी तुम्हारा वो नंबर है, वो बार बार 5 से सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है, वो नंबर छोटा हो रहा है, पर तुम तो टाइम के साथ बोल रहे हो कि वो नंबर ये नंबर से ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू होना चाहिए, विच इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग. ओके, सो लेट्स डिसाइड विच नंबर could handle all these havocs. Okay, 5. Let's say if there was a 20 here, what would happen then? It would pass it and then it would come here. It would guys, see, 20 greater than equal to 10, yes. Then it comes here, then minus 5, 15. 15 greater than equal to 15, yes. 15 minus 5, 10. It comes here, no, 10 not greater than equal to 20. 20 fails it, guys, because b is constant and a is in ascending order. 20 is failing, but if I put a in descending order, 20 will pass. So now let me make it in descending order. 20, 15, 10. Now guys, let's say 20 is our answer. 20 comes here to attack. Is 20 greater than equal to 20? Yes. 20 minus 5, 15. Is 15 greater than equal to 15? Yes. 15 minus 5, 10. Yes. So guys, you can see that hopefully guys, in this YouTube video, it's getting clear to you that things are lovely and nice. Life is so interesting. So guys, if b is constant, then a should be arranged in descending order. But guys, what if both are not constant? Now what will you do? Let's say 5, 8, 10, 15, 20, 100. Now what will you do? So guys, you need to get some intuition for that. ध्यान से देखना. We are trying to arrange. जब a constant होता है तो अपन try क्या कर रहे हैं? We are trying to arrange b in ascending order, means it is increasing like that. And when b is constant, we are trying to arrange a in descending order. Okay, so the first pair which you should go through should always have largest A and smallest B. Okay. See guys, such a brilliant observation. पहले मैंने कांस्टेंट करके चेक किया, अब दोनों को कंबाइन किया जा रहा है. ओके, so whatever the first pair I have to go through, it should have the largest A value and the smallest B value. So guys, here comes but how will we prove it? How will we prove it? Basically we should sort the pairs by A minus B value. Basically आपको हर दो नंबर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना है. So oh, okay. One thing I forgot to say, that this number should be bigger, right? So let me write here 15. Yeah. So what is 15 minus 8? 5 and then 6, 7, right? This should be, let me write it 20. 20 minus 15? 5. 20, okay. 200 minus 100? 100. So guys, which is having the biggest difference? This, this, this third pair is having the biggest difference, okay? The third pair is having the biggest difference. Okay, so first I will always go through 200 minus 100, then the second largest difference is 15 comma 8. I will go through 15 comma 8, then I will go to 20 comma 15. This is the perfect rearrangement. Okay guys, why this rearrangement works so brilliantly? A minus B is now sorted in descending order. इसका मतलब समझ रहे हो? A, you know, A1 minus B1, A2 minus B2, like this. So this is the largest difference possible. If this is the largest difference, there is highest probability that A would be very large in this and B would be very small in this. If A is very large and B is very small, only then A minus B can be the largest, right? So the final conclusion is that A minus B should be sorted in descending order to get the best rearrangement of the pairs. Okay, of pairs. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed all the observations till here, guys. Okay, we discussed the strategy, but we now need to prove it. Okay, so guys, see, if you are my student of 850-hour course, there I have taught many special ways, you know, to build up your greedy intuition, greedy logic, how to prove your greedy theorems by using exchange argument lemma. But if you are not my student, then in shortcut manner I will tell you that exchange argument lemma is nothing but try to make some mathematical formulas to prove your greedy theorems. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do here. Okay, so let's assume that we have a pair a1 comma b1. Okay, and we have a pair a2 comma b2. Let's claim that it is always better to go from the first pair to second pair. Okay, so we should go like this, right? So in that claim our number y is going to get processed. So what is going to happen? First condition will be that y should be greater than equal to a1, right? Then if y greater than equal to a1, we know that these numbers are always like this. So y will get subtracted by b1, right? So y minus b1 should be greater than equal to a2. Y minus b1 should be greater than equal to a2. These are the two conditions if you're first going to the first pair and then you're going to through the second pair. But guys, let's say another claim that it is better to first process the second pair and then the first pair. Okay, so in that case what is gonna happen is y is traveling this, so y should be greater than equal to a2. See, this is common sense. No matter what is your y, in both the conditions y should be greater than equal to a1 and a2. Okay, whichever is maximum or minimum of them. Anyways, y should be greater than equal to a2. Then guys, y will get subtracted by b2, right? So y minus b2 should be greater than equal to a1. Okay, okay. So if I try to rearrange, this value will look like y should be greater than equal to a2 plus b1, and this value, if I rearrange, y should be greater than equal to a1 plus b2. So guys, do you see something? Y should be equal to or bigger than this quantity if you are first doing the going to the first pair and then you are going through the second pair, and y should be greater than equal to this quantity if you are first going through second pair and then you are going through the first pair. Okay, 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 sir. But guys, if this quantity is smaller, if a2 plus b1 is smaller compared to a1 plus b2, if this quantity is smaller, it means the y will also be smaller. It means the y will be smaller if you're first going through the first pair and then the second pair. So guys, to get the smallest y, such a brilliance here, to get the smallest y such that going through the first pair is better than the second pair, a2 plus b1 should be less than a1 plus b2. So basically, if we summarize all of that, it's just trying to say that a2 plus b1, if this is strictly less than a1 plus b2, then y will be smallest. Y will be smallest if first you are going through first pair and then second pair. Then if you rearrange this, it is a2 minus b2 less than a1 minus b1. इसका मतलब समझ रहे हो क्या है? अगर a1 माइनस बी वन a2 माइनस b2 से बड़ा है तो पहले फर्स्ट पेयर करना चाहिए, फिर सेकंड पेयर करना चाहिए. And guys, by using the brilliant mathematics here, it is proved that you should go through the first pair and then the second pair if and only if a1 minus b1 is strictly greater than equal to a2 minus b2. And guys, that's it. Such a lovely problem is this, man. Such a lovely problem. So, so guys, the solution is now done. What will you do? You can simply do. You are given n pairs, right? You just rearrange those pairs like a lovely student. Rearrange them. After their rearrangement, whatever you get, you have to find the minimum y, right? So initialize y equal to 1. Is 1 able to travel through all the nicely rearranged pair? If yes, 1 is the answer. But guys, if let's say ये हमारे सारे pairs हैं, हमने इनको अच्छे तरीके से rearrange कर लिया, we have sorted them in the descending order of ai minus bi. Now I will try the minimum number which is 1. 1 से छोटा number हो नहीं सकता because a and b all are greater than equal to 1. So 1 को आप try करो. Is 1 able to pass through all of that? You can run a for loop and check. If it is not possible, then I will try for y equal to 2. If y equal to 2 not possible, I will try for y equal to 3. It is not possible, I will try for y equal to 4. If it is not possible, I will try for y equal to 5. Once I get a value which is passing, let's say y equal to 5 chalne lag gaya. Y equal to 5 is able to pass through all the pairs. Then I don't need to check y equal to 6, 10 till infinity. All of them will by default pass. Y equal to 5 is the minimum correct value. So you can do a simple linear search here, right? So basically what I'm trying to show you is that let's say this is the number line, okay? पहले आप ट्राई करेंगे कि y equal to 1 सबको ट्रेवल कर ले, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then you know like this. So guys, it will always be like this कि y equal to 1 ट्राई किया नहीं चला, false. 2 ट्राई किया नहीं चला, 3 ट्राई किया नहीं चला, 4 ट्राई किया नहीं चला, 5 ट्राई किया चला. As soon as it starts working ना, देखो अगर y equal to 5 is able to travel through all the pairs, then it's common sense that all numbers greater than 5 will also work. So if one time a true value comes, then it's guaranteed then you know that all other values will also be true till infinity. Okay, so you can just do a linear search in the for loop. First try y equal to 1, then 2, 3, 4. As soon as you find a value which is working out, that is the answer. But guys, how can you optimize this? You can use binary search. You can use binary search to find the first occurrence of t, because the sequence always has first f f f f then t t t t t t. So if guys, this is a standard binary search problem because there is a monotonic sequence. इनिशियली ऑल एफ 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 एफ, मतलब स्टार्टिंग में तुम फेल हो रहे हो, तुम वाई ट्राई कर रहे हो, फेल हो रहे हो, एक बार एक ऐसा वाई आएगा दैट्स कॉल्ड एज द ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट, उस पर वो वाई सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगा, उसके बाद सारे वाई सक्सेसफुली होंगे। तो आपको फर्स्ट टी पहचानना है, तो क्या करोगे बाइनरी सर्च में, बहुत सिंपल है, just calculate the mid value. If mid value is failing, then try for the right range. If mid value is true, try for the left range. And guys, the problem has been solved. And you can go through the C++, Java, Python codes also, such a brilliant problems. देख रहे हो इसमें क्या क्या करना पड़ रहा है, ऑब्जर्वेशन, greedy algorithm, exchange and argument lemma, linear search, binary search makes you so strong. So it made my day, this problem made my day. So anyways guys, the C++ code you can see that it's a pretty standard, right? It's pretty standard, we are taking the input of all the pairs x comma y, then we are sorting the pairs according to their difference of a minus b. Okay, a minus b difference, we sort them according to that difference. Comparator we can use, you just use a simple binary search. If the value is false, then anyways you have to, agar even your binary search, if the value is false, you have to go ahead. If the value is true, then you have to go on the left hand side. But if this is true and the left hand side guy is false, then this is the first occurrence where this guy is coming true. So this problem assumes that you know binary search very well. Okay, so guys, that's how the problem has got getting solved. I will upload the linear search as well. The binary search codes are already there, the linear search code also I will give it to you. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this problem. Okay, and the final solution idea is pretty simple. आपको n पेयर्स दिए रहेंगे, आप पहले उनको रीअरेंज कर दो अच्छे से। कैसे रीअरेंज करोगे, a माइनस बी के अकॉर्डिंग उनको सॉर्ट कर दो इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। फिर क्या करोगे, अब ट्राई करो क्या y इक्वल टू 1 इस सारे पेयर्स को ट्रेवल कर सकता है। नहीं कर सकता तो y इक्वल टू 2 ट्राई करो, नहीं कर सकता तो ऐसे बढ़ाते जाओ y की वैल्यू। जैसे ही तुमको कोई y मिल जाए जो सब सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, दैट्स योर मिनिमम y, because you know that you have rearrange everything in the best way possible. So Google Meet now. Hope you guys enjoyed this problem. Make sure guys you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found some value in it. Hope you have great interesting career and great life ahead. Ram Ram.